is exactly how I described the apartment, and I was blessed with it. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rain, and in today's video we are making our vision board. Finally, y'all, it is the 20th of January and I am just now getting around to it. If you guys see me looking over here, it's my viewfinder, not my lens. But yeah. So before we get into all of the fun stuff, which is the Pinterest search and actually creating the board, I do want to talk to you guys about why you want to create a vision board. So the purpose of a vision board is for visualization, and visualization has been proven to help people stay motivated, focused, and aligned with their goals. A vision board serves as a daily reminder of where you're headed and the life you want to create. Seeing your goals in visual format can keep you on track and fuel your motivation. So the benefit of a vision board is to help reinforce your goals and make them feel more attainable. So first things first, I'm just going to go over the materials that you need for your board, starting out with the actual board, y'all. And this is size 11 by 14. This comes from Hobby Lobby. Y'all, if you can, get your board from Hobby Lobby over Michaels, because Hobby Lobby always kind of have like a 40% off sale. Next thing you'll need are your photos. And these photos come from CVS. It is always good to get the minimum for 15 cents each. So I got 75 photos for 15 cents each. Next, whatever you're using to adhere your photos, so whether it's tape, glue, or whatever you have, sticky tabs, whatever. That is pretty much it. Maybe some scissors as well, because I plan on, the reason why I do have 75 photos is because some of them are itty bitty quotes that I plan on cutting up for my board. Before we get into your photos, because I already have mine, you want a clear intention of what it is that you are trying to achieve. Go ahead. I know I wrote me a list down first. I wrote a list down first of all the things. I think I had like 10 or 11 items. It wasn't a lot. And then I find photo inspiration for those goals. So you want to clarify your goals and focus on the things that will be top priority. You don't want to, of course, everybody wants to, level up, rebrand, physical appearance, level that up. That's good and all, but what are we working on internally? You saying you want to start getting your nails done every 2 weeks, that ain't got to go on your board. Also, you guys, I also recommend, besides the board, to have a journal. Me personally, I have a prayer journal. I am a praying woman. Y'all, prayer journals work just the same. When I tell you guys, I wrote down my exact description of my other apartment I wanted in my prayer journal. I only wrote in it twice, y'all. And then I stopped writing in it because I wasn't consistent. But I was blessed with that exact description of an apartment. 3 bedroom, 2 bath. Y'all, the exact description. I had the paint color down. I said light gray, bay window. And I wish I could find a journal, but it's in storage. But exactly what I wrote in that prayer journal. I wasn't even on that level with the creator. Like, I just randomly picked up a prayer journal and wrote it, and I was blessed with that exact apartment. And I was just like, wow. Like, that was, it literally happened right before my eyes. And it's so crazy because I only wrote in the journal twice, and then I found it once I was moving. I said, oh my goodness, this is exactly how I described the apartment, and I was blessed with it. Y'all, it's just amazing how vision boards and prayer journals work. Please get you a journal as well. Get descriptive. These photos are great to look at, but that journal, get descriptive. Like, it's just, it works. I'm living proof. It works. Alright, y'all, so before we hop into Pinterest, I just wanted to go over this, y'all. You don't need, this isn't the exact prayer journal that I had, what I was describing my apartment in, but this is, I seen a video of Steve Harvey saying to write down 300 things you want from God. I couldn't even think of 300 things. I was just putting stuff in this journal, like, just not even stuff that I necessarily even needed. I filled this out January 5th, 2023. I went in October 13th, 2024, and I was able to mark off a good chunk. And I'm just gonna share some of the things that I marked out that I feel like I brought into fruition. So, y'all, even reading this is out of me emotional. So, the first thing that I checked off was work with luxury brands. And I have worked with luxury beauty brands. So, free of trauma, free of pain. I wanted to be more organized. This is stuff that I have checked off, y'all. I worked on myself eternally. I do feel like I am free. I'm no longer bound by those shackles. That's something that doesn't consume my mind 24/7 like it did. Also, I checked off to be healthy, and I checked off a successful content creator career. And I'm not nowhere near where I want to be, y'all. This is a brand new channel. Like I said, I have brand new socials with the same name, but my old social media channels, I didn't even have 2,500 followers collectively across all platforms. But I checked this off because I have worked with some of the top brands in the industry, y'all. Target, and I was able to get paid from these campaigns. Anyway, y'all, I won't bore you guys with the list, but it's just so much stuff that I was able to check off. Even the camera's descriptions that I had on this list, I was able to check out. I have 2 of my dream cameras, the Sony ZV-E10 and then the DJI, whatever that's at. I was able to get 2 of my dream cameras. This works, y'all. So anyway, moving on to my 2025 goals that I did write down. My strategy for this list, I wrote down what I wanted and then I wrote a description for it. Y'all, describe it down to a T. Any details that you could put into this list, into a journal or notebook, do it. Do it. So the first thing that I do have here is financial freedom. And I said I will create content and partner with brands for income. That I already do, but I want that financial freedom behind it. This will be my main source of income. So yeah, that's what I want. And so I would be able to quit my job to live solely on the income I earn from creating content and brand deals. So you have to get descriptive, y'all. No, don't just say I want to be a YouTuber, or don't just say I want to create content. Why? What's your why behind it? Anything, any goal, anything that you right now, you want to put a why behind it. Next, let's talk about Pinterest. You guys can use any other platforms. Google, quite frankly, the images aren't just as good as Pinterest. Pinterest has a lot of aesthetic photos. Also, if you guys even search aesthetic behind any search, it's just going to give you better quality photos in the aesthetics. So this is my brand new Pinterest account. It's not even tailored to what I usually search on Pinterest yet, but I'm just going to throw some of my random goals out there and then I'll just show you guys what I do. So for instance, physical glow up of mine, I want a better wardrobe. Me personally, I feel like my wardrobe could use some work. I do not want to wear jeans no more. I want to dress like casual, like that business casual type aesthetic every single day. And I'm talking about cute tops and trousers, y'all. Trousers. I don't want to wear sneakers anymore, for real. I'm trying to get up out of them sneakers, up out of the jeans, up out of the t-shirts. So I want a grown woman wardrobe. So that is the goal of mine for this year. But I'm not going to search grown woman wardrobe. I'm quite sure you can. But matter of fact, let's see. Grown woman outfits, yeah. But yeah, I'm trying to, and this is so cute, y'all. Even this is casual and cute. She don't have on sneakers, but she got jeans. Like I said, jeans are good sometimes, but me personally, I don't want to wear jeans a lot. See, even this is cute. This is more my vibe. Just something simple and cute. But that's not even what I'm talking about. So, let me show you guys what I want to. And I'm just gonna, I know, y'all. Aesthetic outfit. So, this is my vibe for 2025. This is how I want to show up, y'all. This is even this is so casual, so simple, so cute. So in 2025, I just want to dress how I want to be addressed. And it gives money, it gives, put together, it gives kept woman, like it gives taken care of. And that's what I want, okay? So the old money aesthetic. And I know it can be boring to some people, but y'all, I love it so freaking much. Okay, I'm not really seeing anything that I like right now, but that's what we're doing. So we're getting those photo inspiration. So me personally, like I said, I want to address more casual, classy, classic look. So old money, whatever you want to call it. So those are the photos that I would pin on my board. Y'all, so like I said, that was a brand new Pinterest account. So it's not really even tailored to the things. I have to go in and tweak it and kind of get it, the algorithm to how I want it to be. So I think it'll just be easier for me to go over some of the photos that I do have that I got from my old Pinterest account. The first 3 photos that I do have here are quotes. And I found all of these photos on Pinterest, y'all. It's just, this one just says, I am living in answered prayers. And I will be, okay? I am now, currently, so, yeah. Successful girl era. So you want like these type of quotes on there for motivation and for you to read. I have this photo here. This represents my morning routine or just daily routine, just to have a routine. That is the key for 2025 routines. Also, this one has new beginnings with an apartment and some boxes because I do plan on moving this year. Resorts come when excuses leave. Y'all, you need quotes like this. If you, like I said, if you are a procrastinator or you're overthinking or you're just making excuses for yourself to not get things done, you need quotes like this. Also, you want a year quote. Not a year quote, but something that says the year. So this one just says 2025. Abundance is what I will have this year. This one has a Bible and it says devotional time. So yeah, just a reminder, get in that Bible, girl. Get in that Bible. I'm a magnet for money. That I am. And then this one is just some cocktails and some women's hands. Because I want to have girl night. I want to go out more. Like, I don't really be going out like that. So, I want to go out more. The gag is, I'm about to rebrand my whole life. And is, your hair act like it. Some of these I'm not going to share just because they're personal. This is a dictionary. A photo of a dictionary. Aesthetic photo of a dictionary. I want to learn new words. Also, y'all, my hair. I want waist length hair this year. And I think I can do it. My hair grows pretty fast. I did chop it. We'll see. This is my dream stack. And some of these are vague photos, y'all. Like I said, it's not all that serious. And I like filler photos to look aesthetically pleasing. So, this is my dream stack, y'all. It's so beautiful. Like everyday bracelet stack. Van Cleef, Cartier, Hermes. Cute. Some of these have the actual apartment I plan on moving to. I visited and took my own photos and videos of it. I try to watch those videos every day, but I have those photos printed out on my vision board. This is a photo of my dream car. And some of these goals aren't even necessarily for this year, but I put this on here. I'm not, like I said, even with that 300 list of 300, some of the stuff I was just putting on there, but got it. So it's just like, I don't plan on buying a G-Wagon this year, but if it's in God's will, I will have it. I always put photos of money because this is something I plan on attracting this year and every year. I do have a photo of my exact camera, and I just showed you guys this because I plan on vlogging more. Like, I really don't be vlogging. And on Sundays, I plan on posting Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. But if y'all have noticed, I don't post on Sundays because I'm not vlogging. So I want to be vlogging more. Also, she has the exact lanyard I have on my ZVNTN as well. So, I thought that was pretty cool. Also, y'all, this is Paris. This is Dior in Paris. I want to go to Paris, and I want to go to the Dior store in Paris. This will be a dream of mine. It's so beautiful in there, y'all. The comeback is personal. It's an apology to myself. Your girl has really been slacking these past few years. Like, girl, what are you doing? Motivation is off because we good and motivate y'all, but discipline, yeah, we gotta be more disciplined. YouTuber, hey y'all. This is a photo of Clark. I don't know if y'all know Clark Peoples, but this is her. These are my dream heels. Well, not really a dream heel, but these are my exact heels that I have on my list to buy this year. And then just her overall aesthetic in this photo, the outfit and everything, the bag, Dior bag, it's tea. So that's all I have to share with you guys. Let's go ahead and assemble this board. Y'all, we are officially done. It looks so good. Oh my goodness, it came out better than I freaking imagined. Now that we have our vision board, let's focus on bringing it to life in this glow up series.